Yes, guys. Sorry for delay. Suddenly, just 1 minute power loss and again came. Due to that, internet disconnecting. When internet disconnecting is immediately root permission removed to me. Try to be patient today and tomorrow, guys. Okay. I hope Monday onwards you're not going to get this kind of problem. Okay. So due to some emergency, I came to my hometown. Okay. So this little bit problem there, guys. Just today and tomorrow. Okay. Try to understand and immediately don't let the class. Don't leave the class.
କ'ଣ ମାନେ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ୍ ପାଇଁ ଏମର୍ଜେନ୍ସି ପାଇଁ ତାଙ୍କ ଘରକୁ ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ସେଥିପାଇଁ କାଲି କ୍ଲାସ୍
Okay. So now we start about the nested conditions related, guys. One program we will start. So here I want to check eligibility of interview, guys. Student interview eligibility related coding. I want to do it. Okay. So for that, how we are writing the logics. So check it, guys. See here. First, take the student name, guys. Take the student name. So how we are taking? Simply name I'm going to take it. Or else based on the qualification I want to check it, guys. Qualification. So simply qualification. Input method I'm taking. So we are reading the data from the user means from the screen using input function. So here enter something you can write as enter student qualification or else just like enter your qualification. Enter your qualification. Like assumption here you are entering something. For example, BTech you are entering as BTech you are entering. Okay, na? BTech, MTech, MCA, degree like that. So based on that, I want to validate it, guys. So here only interview is eligible for BTech students or MTech students. Okay, BTech or MTech. So for MCA, for degree students, not eligible. These students not eligible for interview. Okay, I want to check it, guys. First, based on the qualification only. So here qualification is available here. Student entered qualification. If qualification double equal to here, simply I'm going to write okay, string format we can write, guys. So BTech simply like this BTech. So user may enter the uppercase letters or lowercase letters, guys. So I'm going to check with this one. So this is user entered value. For example, like this uppercase first letter uppercase there. If they are entering this value, I want to convert into lower. Then we have a lower method, guys. We have a lower method. Coming days when we are discussing the Python string handling, so number of methods we are going to discussing. So entire string is going to convert into lowercase. So now lowercase format BTech is there, here also BTech is there. Like that we can compare it. Okay. So later using these methods, I will compare later, guys. Assumption right now all are lowercase related only. We will compare it. So if qualification double equal to BTech or else another one. If qualification double equal to MTech, guys, either BTech or MTech, any one. If one condition right, either BTech or MTech, then returns true. If it returns true, what we want to do? That is later I want to write. So if it is wrong, nothing but BTech not entered, MTech not entered, some other degree entered. Okay, some other qualification. Then here I'm going to write something message, guys. Something message I'm going to write. So based on your requirement, you can write it, guys. Okay, na? Based on the requirement. So first of all, here qualification, something qualification is there. So for example, if I'm entering degree students are not eligible for this interview like that. I'm going to write now. So here qualification, whatever we are entering, that coming here. So qualification students are not allowed for this interview. Okay, like this I'm going to write guys. So finally one thanks message if you want, right? They are trying to attending the interview, that's why thanks like they are writing. Okay, yes. Check it guys. So other than these two degrees, if any degree entering, so then so and so degree students are not allowed for this interview, like we are writing. Okay, so really this is working or not, you can check it immediately. So enter your qualification degree guys. Degree I'm going to write simply degree. Okay, so check it here. Degree students are not allowed for this interview. And next one more I'm entering MCA. So here MCA like I'm entering. So MCA students are not allowed for this interview. Okay. So okay, if BTech enter or MTech enter, then satisfying this condition. Then coming to this block. Next here, what do you want? So right now, based on the qualification, eligible for this interview or not, we checked guys. So after qualification, percentage here also, not percentage, passed out here. Passed out here also I want to check it. Only recent passed out years I want to allow for this interview guys. Otherwise, I don't want to allow. So for that, the passed out year also you can check it. So here, passed out, passed out, or else era passing, like you can write if you want. So era passing, simply here, take it guys. Input method I'm using, and now here we can write enter your era passing, era passing. So now here something entered guys. So based on this era passing, again we can compare it. So carefully check it guys. Based on this era passing. So here used number format may enter guys. So that's why I want to convert into number format. So that's why eval function I'm using. Okay, for example here the something 2024 entered or 2025. Only these 24, 25 students only I want to allow. Remaining year of students I don't want to allow. So if year of passing, okay, year of passing. If year of passing student are belongs to 2024 or year of passing students double equal to 2025. So these 2 years related people I want to allow guys. So if you don't want to write like multiple conditions here, membership also you can use them. Okay, if so and so in list of years you can write 2024 comma 2025. So between these 2 years, out of these given list of years, our entered year if available return true, otherwise return false. So right now here only if and else related I'm talking guys. So if year is not in this 2024 or 2025, then I want to write one print statement guys. I want to write one print statement. Okay, so sorry, only 2024 2025 students allowed for this interview. Okay na? So only 24 25 passed out students allowed. Only 2024 2025 passed out students. Okay, yes. So now here, okay. So if you entered year is 2024 or 2025, then we can write. If you want immediately you can check it guys. Every condition working fine or not, immediately you can check it. Health block related first you can create. So if I'm entering any normal degree, okay, MCA students not allowed. Okay, working already this condition checking, no need to check every time. Next I'm going to enter 2023. Okay, sorry, first again one more time check it. So I'm entering BTech guys. BTech students allowed. That's why immediately asking year of passing. 2023 I'm entering. Then sorry, only 24, 25 passed out students allowed for this interview. And then thank you. Okay? Yes, properly working. Now if you are entering 24, 25, then going inside and here percentage also if you want to check. For example, myself, I passed out in this 25 year only, but I have only 40 percentage. Then 40 percentage related students I don't want for my company. Okay, I want to filter out based on the percentage also. Okay, okay, marks percentage or else percentage like I'm taking as percentage. Then here input function we are using. So here also eval we can use as eval function and now write it here. So then here enter percentage, enter your percentage guys, percentage of marks, or else simply enter your percentage. Okay, something you are entering guys. So for example, more than 60, 70 percentage you are entering. Okay, so based on that, I want to check it. If percentage, if percentage greater than or equal to, if percentage greater than or equal to 60 guys, 60 above students I want to allow guys. If percentage greater than or equal to 60 and percentage less than or equal to 100. Okay, between 60 to 100 percentage guys. Okay, not more than 100 percentage. So then I want to allow. Then here I'm writing pass. If it is not in between this range, then immediately one print statement. Okay, so here you can write sorry, so you are not, or else less than 60 percentage students not allowed for this interview. Like you can write if you want. So less than 60 percentage or more than percentage more than 100 invalid guys. More than 100 percentage, more than 100 percentage students not allowed for this interview. Okay, this is the message guys. Okay, so now between this range if available guys, between 60 to 100, then so name I want to read, name I want to read guys. So name I want to read. Again here, this interview for only male people or this interview only for female people. Okay, so like if you want to provide more specification, one more if and else. Sometimes companies are conducting interviews only for females guys, sometimes only for handicapped people, okay, physical handicapped, like that they are conducting. So if you want to check like that also, enter your gender, male, female, like asking. So if female only allowed, otherwise not allowed, like that we can write it. Okay, nothing more required. These three conditions enough guys. Now here write it. Entered your name, enter your name, something name you are going to enter. For example, Srinivas you are entering guys. Okay, then this message related I want to print guys. Now here name comma you can write here. So name means Srinivas displaying here, Srinivas displaying guys here, and Srinivas you are the simply, okay, here I'll write comma, you are the eligible for this interview, congratulations. Okay, or else simply one more message, you are eligible for this interview, so we will send details to your email, like one message you can display it. Okay, whatever you want you can display it guys. So now okay, this one save it, and as per that check it properly working or not. So check it guys, final testing, enter your qualification, MCA related not allowed. Okay, and thanks to displaying, and one more time. So next here the BTech BTech I'm entering. So enter your year of passing asking. Okay. So year of passing 2000 only if I'm entering. So then you are not eligible. Only these year pass out students allowed, like that. Confirmation also displaying. So now here the BTech and passed out year 2024. Then enter your percentage asking 70 percentage I'm entering. Then enter your name asking Srinivas I'm entering. Then Srinivas, you are eligible for this interview. Understanding? So here the one by one taking us based on that else block also executing. Sometimes some people doing what means, so enter your qualification asking immediately, enter your year of passing asking. Okay, these all things outside condition only checking, here only enter your qualification, enter your year of pass out, enter your percentage, like all inputs reading from the user, later one by one checking. For example, qualification only if invalid, even though I mean we are taking that percentage of year, percentage of marks, year of pass out, these all things wasting time. That's why only one input read from the user, that is valid or not checking. If not valid, else block related message can write. If valid, the next what you want to do. Okay, then take one more time another input. Like that, blocks by blocks, you are going to create, guys. So like this, real time we are going to developing. Come on, let me know. Is this clear, everyone? This is one small program, guys. Like this, we are writing real time condition based programs as per the requirement. Maybe initial days it will take little time for understanding, but definitely you will understand, guys, when you are doing practice. Theoretically you have to do practice, and then 100% you're going to understanding line by line, if and else related only. So some people what they are doing means, first this one, okay, checking if it is yes, second line input taking, one more condition checking. If it is right, then next time input taking, again one more condition, like this. So like this going to in-depth level. So one by one closing, guys. Sometimes this one is missing. For example, this second if related else missing, or else this one indentation problem coming. Maybe if you are taking here, then indentation problem coming. So where this problem is there, identification taking some time, lot of time wasting while developing real time coding, guys. So that's why if else immediately we are completing. If true, what? If not true, what? First, you have to complete that block, then only check for second block. Okay, think for second block. What is this one? Yes. Okay. So next, guys, already male female records related in the material there, guys. So do practice. So I don't want to explain every program, taking a lot of time. Okay. So next, ternary block related, we will discuss, guys. Ternary block related, ternary expression is there. Ternary expression. So what is this meaning? I will check, explain it. Okay. Ternary. Okay. Wait. It will not copy. Okay, no problem. So here, check it, guys. The Python ternary expression determines if a condition is true or false, then it returns the appropriate value in accordance with the result. So ternary expression is useful in cases where we need to assign a value to a variable based on a simple condition. Simply, this ternary expression where we are using means, if we want to assign a value to a variable based on the simple condition, guys, there we can use this ternary expression. Okay, so and we want to keep our code more concise and all in just one line of code. Concise and concise code means simple lines of code, direct lines of code, like a single line code only, called as concise line code. So using the ternary expression, we can write a concise line of code in a single line, guys, in a single line. So first, syntax focus, guys. See here, if something expression we are writing, If this expression returns true, then this value assigning to a variable. Example here, if any variable is there, to this variable this value is assigned. If this expression return false, else something value is there, this value is going to assign into this variable. Okay, so it means guys, after the if something condition is there, if this condition returns true, before the if one value is there, that value we can assign to the variable. If this expression return false, so after the else keyword something value is there, this one can assign to this variable. Understanding this one? Okay, so now check it here, this related one small program, we will do it. So here ternary expression guys, simply ternary expression. So check it, two numbers I'm taking, which one is a big number I want to check it guys. So for example n1 from the user, if you want you can take it, or static values if you want you can create it. So here 10 and 20 is there guys, I want to check the condition. So first of all, if what is that, n1, if n1 greater than n2, if n1 greater than n2, result equal to n1 I'm assigning. Okay, that is a big number like that. So else result equal to n2. Okay, finally here I'm going to print okay, the biggest value, or else okay, biggest value is the biggest value is result, like we can write guys, result. Okay, save it. See guys, here two values there, I'm checking condition. If it is the true, n1 is the biggest value, like we are considering this n1 we are assigning to this variable. Otherwise this one if return false, n2 assigning to this variable. Finally this variable I'm printing. Okay, the biggest value is result. If if block executing, n1 is the biggest value, otherwise n2 is the biggest value. This is a normal condition guys, a normal condition. Okay, see here, the biggest value is 20. If you want to read these numbers from the user, then you can take it eval of directly. If you want to take from the user, input of like we can write guys. Okay, so now here entered first number, like we are taking, and same line. So n2 related, entered second number guys, enter second number. Two numbers we are reading dynamically and finding guys. So entered first number 30, entered second number 20. So the biggest value is 30. Okay, this is the normal condition. So now using ternary expression, how we are doing, check it this one. Okay, so first read these two numbers guys, read these two numbers and check. So result equal to, first condition can write, if n1 greater than n2, this one guys, the condition. If n1 greater than n2, if it is right, which value you want to assign to the result? n1 value I want to assign to the result. That n1 we can write here before the if. Okay, if this condition wrong, then which one you want to assign? n2 you want to assign. Okay, so then else n2, like we can write simple line, single line completing, and now here printing as print that. So check it here, enter the first number 100, enter the second number 200, biggest value is 200, and one more time enter the first value 100, enter the second value 20, then biggest value is 100. Understanding? So here these many lines we created, so here the single line only, directly based on the condition we are assigning one value to a variable. In that situation, this ternary expression we can use. This is called ternary expression syntax. So sometimes we require this expression logics also. So here working with a ternary expression. So here this program is belongs to using normal conditions only, using normal conditions. And now this one is using ternary expressions or ternary expression condition. Okay, simply this one. Come on, let me know if this clear. Ternary expression syntax, are you clear, everyone? Stay with hope everyone following. And in the material some other examples also there. Simply focus on one example, guys. So syntax, if you are understanding, that's enough. Based on this, either n1 or n2 is assigned to here. Okay, next one more small concept. So here working with range function. This is important, guys. Working with the range function. This is one of the predefined function, so more important one. Okay, this range function behavior is what? How many inputs accepting? We will discuss, guys. So, yes, guys, here the ternary related, next ternary is not executing. Okay, so sometimes if any situation is there like this, ternary expression we can write. So no next ternary is, guys. Okay, simple normal blocks we can write it. And now coming to the range function. So here by using this range function we can generate some range of values, guys, or sequence of values. Sequence of values means group of values. Group of values we can generate it. For example, here print which function I'm using? Range function. Okay, range of for example 20 I'm using. Range of 20, guys. Just you can execute. So range of 0 to 20 like displaying. Range of 0 to 20. 0 to 20 numbers generating. This is a simple syntax. So which format you want to generate? List format. So list of we can write, guys, list of so range of 0 to 20 values, list format going to return. So now check it, guys. 0 to 19, 0 to 19 is there. Is all if you are counting 20 numbers there, 20 numbers. So range of 20, if any single value is giving, this one is a end value. End value considering end values must be required input for this range function. End value syntax always n minus 1. N minus 1. 20 minus 1. What is 19? So up to the 19 values getting, guys. From where getting? From 0 onwards getting, guys. From 0 onwards getting. Okay, so by default here this function syntax is range of 0 from 0 to 20, each time 1 incrementing. Range function related 3 inputs there by default. Okay, 3 inputs, guys. Only one if we are giving. Starting value it considering like a 0. End value given value, guys. Whatever the value is given, so that is the end value. And this one is considering like a step value. Okay, starting value, end value, step value. Okay, by default step
बाहर लाइट दे
value
जा
positive 1 is there. Default starting value by default 0 is there. End value must be required value. So 0, 20 if I'm giving 0 comma 20 comma 1. Starting from 0 onwards, each time 1 incrementing. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. N minus 1 up to the 19 getting. So that's why you're getting this one. Okay, now all of you clear this syntax?
yes
Next one more syntax. So here if I'm giving two values, if I'm giving two values, starting value, first value is like a starting value. If not giving, then by default 0, guys, starting value. Now I given starting value 1. It means from 1 onwards 20 is the end value, n minus 1 means 19. From 1 to 19, third value not given. Not given means 1 is there. 1 incrementing. Okay, so from 1 onwards, each time 1 incrementing, 19 up to 19 you're getting. Okay, from where you want to start also representing. Okay, now so next here, if I'm giving here the 5, from 5 onwards only you're getting, guys. From 5th onwards only you're getting. Okay, so next here, if I'm giving 2, so if I'm giving here 2, guys, from 5 onwards, every time 2 incrementing up to the 19 you are getting. Okay, so now see here 5, what is there here? Here they not given. Here not given 2. Third value also I given 2. Then you can check it here. So 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. So starting value is 5. Every time 2 incrementing up to end value is 20 I given means up to the 19 getting. N minus 1, 20 minus 1. Okay, like this you are getting also. So here by default this step value is positive 1 is there if not giving. If available, then those number of times incrementing also. Every second value, every every next value like that coming. 1 is there means every next value, 2 means every second value like that. Okay, now? So okay, next time here I'm going to give here 20. Oh, where is that? This one 20, and I'm giving 2. So here T1 is a starting value, third value 20. Okay, end value is what 2, and increment value is what by default 1. If not given third value 1. Starting from 20, each time 1 incrementing 20, 21, 22, 23 like that going forward, guys. But end value not reaching. There is a less value there. So this is a wrong direction. So starting from 20, end value 2, and step value by default 1 is there. So this is the wrong direction. Then empty list return. Empty list return. Only positive direction is there. Value direction is there. Then return step value. Otherwise empty object return. So here list format we ask, that's why empty list. If it is tuple format, then empty tuple. Okay, na? So starting value always low value required, end value always high value required. If step value is a positive value, remember step value if it is a positive. Next, now you can check it here. Step value -1 I given. -1. It means here -1. So now starting from 20, each time 1 decrementing. -1 means decrementing down direction. 20, 19, 18, 17 like that. 2 is the end value, guys. End value. So before the 2, what is there? Previous value 3 is there. Up to 3 you're getting. If it is a negative value, here n plus 1 is the syntax. 2 plus 1, 3. Up to 3 you're going to get it. Last input you can check it. See 19 to up to 3 you're getting. Okay, so based on the step value you have to identify it. If it is a negative value, then here a high value required, starting value, and end value is the less value required. Okay, so here the n plus 1 is the rule. So before 2, 3 is there. This 20, 19, 18 like that coming. Okay, so then up to 3 coming, n plus 1. So end value if it is a positive is there, n minus 1 is the rule. In that situation, starting value low required, end value high required. Okay, this is the rule, guys. All of you clear? So here the single value if giving, that is the end value. 2 values if giving, starting value, end value. 3 values giving, starting value, end value, step value. Okay, if step value positive is there, starting value low required, end value high required. Otherwise empty objects returned. If step value minus is there, starting value high, end value low required. Otherwise empty objects returned. These rules you have to remember it, and it is all available in the material. You will get it. Okay, so later next session, guys, looping concept. Looping concept I will discuss. We have a for loop, we have a while loop, guys. Okay, for loop, while loop, along with the transfer statements, tomorrow session I will continue. Okay, na? I'll stop up to here. Tomorrow I'll continue, guys. So if you're having any queries, you can let me know, guys.